The history of METAWOOD started about 20 years ago from a beautiful dream. Mikhail Rasitsyan wanted to produce the best chocolate in the world, so he bought a factory for this purpose. At the factory, Mikhail unexpectedly discovered professional mannequin production equipment and, as an insightful businessman, could not let it go to waste. It was decided to fire up the machines and produce the mannequins. The production needed metal parts, therefore the second factory was bought, which had lots of potentials and space. Using the best metalworking equipment, Mikhail with his enthusiastic team took on the challenge with great courage and dedication. Soon, they started to work with wood and wide range of millwork, adding everything else needed for retail furniture. With a fast-growing range of technologies, METAWOOD quickly took the first successful steps in the shop-fitting design and production field. By taking advantage of the opportunities, METAWOOD was able to offer its customers unique, highly quality shop-fitting production and implement the most sophisticated solutions. Having earned the trust of its customers in the design and production of retail equipment, METAWOOD is successfully growing and implementing projects worldwide. Today in the map you'll find an impressive number of METAWOOD customers and long-term partners with a number growing every year. During the 15 years in business, we have gathered a team of 775 professionals. We have implemented over 17,300 projects. We cooperate with more than 160 brands. We can be proud of our work results in more than 100 countries of the world. METAWOOD. To the next 15 and great future together.